All right, today we're going to talk about how to negotiate these traction pads or bumps or whatever you call them. And they come around every now and then when you're street skating, so it's important to learn how to, there's a couple ways to get over them. And for Jazz and I, we started outside first in the street, and then we went into the skate parks. I don't know, it just seemed a better transition to do it first that way, because on the street you got all these unexpected obstacles, but they're not really crazy big giant ramps, so and
it's like the introduction to skate park.
Yeah.
Street skating.
It's not, you're not way off the ground. So
yeah.
Anyway, there's a few ways you can negotiate these things.
These things used to mess me up when I started street skating. I didn't know what to do.
I know. And me too. I just stop.
Yeah.
But you can either roll them or jump them 1 foot onto the other, or jump them both feet.
Okay.
Once you get comfortable. This one's even a little bit more tricky because it has an extra crack right here that's further away. Like it kind of will it'll disrupt your landing if you land before it, whatever, you know what I mean? So this one in particular, I try to jump the whole thing from there to there. But the rolling technique is you come up to it and you're staggered whichever way you like to be, right or left. And
1 foot in front.
1 foot in front. And then as you're coming up to it, just really, really low and lift your toes so you're on your heel wheels.
Like you're taking a squat.
Yeah, I'll lift kind of my front wheel and kind of like feel like that with it.
Yeah.
And roll over. So I'll demonstrate that.
Okay, let's see it. Get a little speed. Coming down the sidewalk and.
Oh, there it is.
Oh.
You kind of brace yourself.
Yeah.
Kind of like brace yourself. You kind of sit back a little bit.
Yeah. Kind of like you're sitting down, lifting your toes. All right.
Yeah.
So that's number one.
Number one.
Okay.
And the second one is 1 foot at a time.
Oh.
This one's like you can jump over the gap and reserve a little bit of energy because you're not like going both feet at the same time. So if you're tired, you don't feel like jumping, you go 1 foot at a time.
All right.
1 foot to the other. And
Let's see that. Just talk about your weight distribution and how you're shifting your weight.
Yeah, so you're going to come up to it, and when I talked about jumping from 1 foot to the other in previous videos.
Yeah.
And this is why I think it's important to do this particular technique. So you just go from one to the other, like that.
Shifting weight from 1 foot to the other and staying forward with your body.
Take off leg, obviously. You can crouch down. And you
well, let's see it. Show us how it's done. Okay. So you really have to kind of dip forward and down with your body when you do it, looks like.
Dip.
Oh, yeah. Okay. And then how else can you clear this thing?
2 feet.
2 feet.
I'll get a little more speed.
All right, he's going to get a little more speed, everyone. He's going out of sight. He's way back there behind that tree. He's getting speed, coming at it, dropping butt, getting low, picking up feet, and over. Let's see it again this way. So you have to really look where you want to land. Drop your butt, pick up feet, drop butt again on the landing. So you get low on the landing. I see. Okay. Wow. So this is like, you know, before you can like think about jumping up on boxes or ledges and stuff at the park, this is like getting your jumping skills in order.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's important, I think. So if you guys like that and want to learn more skills, techniques, whatever, we'd love to hear your comments. So please don't forget to like and subscribe.